Hi, welcome back to my bench. Today I've got a Roberts, I don't know if you can see that, let's just zoom in. Just for a change, another Roberts. This is an R757, one of the more modern Roberts radios. Probably from the 90s, I expect. Unusually it's got one of these in it still, a PP9. 9 volt. Now when I initially got it, I plugged it into the mains, well not the mains, into a mains transformer, one of these little variable voltage power supplies, and it worked fine, no problem at all. So I thought, well, just to make doubly sure, I'll stick some power on it. So I tried it. I didn't notice, but this actually came with it, so well, I've probably paid more postage because it's got battery in it. I don't even expect the person that posted it even knew it had a battery in it. This base has got to be taken off, and the battery is actually unusually a PP9, but I thought it would have been a battery tray in a radio of this age. But anyway, I tried it on the batteries, and let's just put the power on it. Oh, typical, it's working now. But I've got a dodgy connection in here somewhere, so it's not working now. Just wiggle that connection in the middle there. So there's one of two things. It's either, let's just hit the power off. It's either a badly soldered connector, which it doesn't look badly soldered, to be fair. It looks okay. A little break in the wire, or more than likely there's a little switch in here somewhere that cuts the battery out when the mains plug's pushed in, and that I think is just activated on here, so it should switch out that live from there and pop it onto this one. Oh, yeah, that's right. So the earths are all connected together anyway, then the negatives. So yeah, for some reason we're not getting, that switch is not shutting back when the main supply is pulled out. So let's have a look at that on resistance scale to start with on the multimeter. Let's have a quick look. So that should be between there and there. Continuity does help if the meter's switched on. So it should have continuity there. We haven't. If I wiggle it, this is just between the two switch terminals now. So it is the little switch in the power supply. Move it back the other way. And nothing. So we've got to have a go at sorting that out. It doesn't look like it's a serviceable part. It definitely isn't a serviceable part. I don't want to bypass it because it is useful to use both. I wonder if that is available as a spare from anybody. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. Little fault that could catch you out. If you don't try these things with batteries as well, you don't know. But as I say, nice little radio, needs a little bit of restoration. There's a little rust patch in the centre of the grill there. Seems quite common with these. I think they used a steel grill and just sprayed it with some paint. But other than that, it's in pretty good nick. It's I don't know whether this top is supposed to be this colour and whether it's rubbed off. So I've got to do a little bit of research on that. The back is all perfect. Yeah, overall nice little radio, and I like the colour as well. British Racing Green. Anyway, thanks for watching, and as I say, if I do any more work on this, I will let you join me. Thanks for now. Right, I'm not sure if I already put a video of this one up, but I may well have done. This is a little Roberts R757 that worked on mains power but not on batteries. And the reason was the little switch in the power plug had gone open circuit, was it? Or closed circuit? I'm not sure now. I think it's open circuit. It definitely is a dodgy connection anyway on that switch, which meant it wouldn't play on batteries. So there's the offending item. I've just had this morning in the post a replacement, so I'm hoping that I did my measurements right and this will fit. I probably need to drill those holes out a bit bigger. Yeah, that's going to fit by the looks of it. Yeah, I'll just need to pop a drill bit in there. But that's good news. So that's the new one and the old one, if you can see there. I don't know, it's not a genuine Roberts part, it's just from my normal electrical supplier. But it's a dead straight swap over by the looks of it, so I'm going to try that, and join me again in a minute and I'll see if it works. Back to my messy desk. Right, I've done it, all soldered in. So what I thought I'd do is we'd give it a quick test. So at the moment we've got mains power and the battery both connected together. Turn it on. Nothing. It is negative pin. Yeah, negative pin.
You tell me to tread. I'd rather be a wild one instead. In crowd, the cool kids are cool to me. They're not cooler than we are. So hey, we brought our drum and taking. We make our breaks. If you don't like our hate. Power supply's not behaving. Let's try another one. It's 9 volt this, negative pin. Some of the old blimmin' old wall wart things here. Let's chuck this one in. You can measure the voltage on these things because they're never right. DC 20. Alright, so let's see what we've got on the end of this thing. So again, that's tip is positive at the moment, so we're going to turn that round. Tip negative. Well, there you are, all reinstalled. You can see in there I've put a new one in there. I had to enlarge the pin, sorry, not the pin hose, the actual holes in the plastic piece, the mounting holes here. So in the end I used a Dremel type tool that just went through that one.
job done. I've hooked myself up. Zoom you back out a little bit. Got to clear this bench up now for the next project. I've just hooked up a lead on my power supply now. The reason the other lead wouldn't work is the pin was too large, or the socket was too large to accept it. So let's try it first of all on the power supply. Pop a battery in line. Still working. Pull the plug. Battery's still working. Sorted. Nice easy fix. That's one for the restoration pile now. Not that much to do on this one, to be fair. Just a bit of a clean up, clean the switches. The top panel, I'm not sure whether that's like a nicotine staining. Doesn't smell like it. Or whether there's a problem with the finish coming off of it, and it should be gold anyway. Looks like it's on its way off anyway, so I'm probably going to have to whip the chassis out of that one, I expect. Yeah, I expect I'll have to whip the chassis out of that one. But a nice little radio. Lovely colour, British Racing Green. I've got to sort this rust patch out here. Again, I'm probably going to have to take the grill off to do that. And I don't suspect that Roberts have made that easy to do whatsoever. But we shall see. As I say, we'll whip this piping off, and hopefully I'll be able to pop that grill out from underneath. But yeah, that one's in the pile for restoration. So thanks for watching. That's a nice easy fix. Nothing too major. It would have worked perfectly okay on a power supply, but not on a battery, unfortunately, because the switch had broken. So stick that one back on the pile and on to the next one. Bye for now.